In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a single arm dumbbell chest fly, but you're also going to be doing it on a Swiss ball. Now, what you'll notice is when you're just doing one arm, you've got a lot of balance and proprioception because you're going to be on the Swiss ball. It's a surface where you're going to have that variability with regards balance. So when you're doing the repetitions, there's a lot more core involved in this as opposed to doing it on a bench. And also because you're doing one side, you'll notice that your whole body's going to want to tip towards the side that you're doing the fly with, which means that you're going to have to work that lower back and also your core to try and keep stable during the exercise. Now, firstly, choose which side that you want to do first. So I've just got one dumbbell here. I'm going to show you my left side so it's better on the camera. And what I'm going to do is find a little bit of walkway or a little bit of a space, free area with no hazards where I can come forwards. I'm going to roll onto my back and also onto my head. So I'm going to do that via walking the feet away from me. I've got the elbow tucked into my side, my hips are up nice and high, I can feel my glutes squeezing to keep that nice high hip position. The elbow is going to come directly up. I want the dumbbell to be in line with my chest. Remember, it's a chest fly. I don't want the dumbbell in line with my shoulder. From this position, with the spare hand, you can have it out to the side. You can have it across your body, whatever suits you. And you're going to slowly come away from your chest and back in. Now, when you do that, I've got what's called a soft elbow, meaning I've got a very slight bend in the elbow when I'm doing my repetitions. And of course, you'd repeat for your desired amount of reps on one side before switching over and doing exactly the same on the next side. So as I'm doing these repetitions and my center of gravity is changing, I'm having to work really hard with my glutes, core and lower back to make sure that when I come out, I don't then come with it and start twisting my spine. So once you're done, bring the dumbbell down and you're going to roll back to your start position. That's how to do a single arm chest fly on a Swiss ball.